Hello everyone, in this lesson let's learn how to extract first name and last name using the flash fill feature of Excel. We have these two duplicate columns for the names of president. As you remember, this is the column we generated using the proper function, but we don't need that anymore since we already have the proper values in this column. So we just go on and delete all the values from this column by selecting all the values and then pressing the delete button. Now we manually type the first names of the presidents. As you can see now, once we type the third first name, the Excel automatically discovered what we are up to, and it extracted, it did all the work for us and extracted all the first names. So we just want to agree. In this case, we just want to agree by pressing the enter button. Once you press enter, this will automatically extract all the first names. Now we want to do the same for the last names as well. So basically we just go and create another column. We give it the name last name. And here we manually start typing the last names of the presidents. Next column. And then we type. As you start typing the third option, this will automatically generate extract the last names of the presidents. We just, in this phase, we just want to agree with Excel by typing enter. So this will extract all the first names and the last names from the president column. And the last thing you want to do is to give it a nicer format by double clicking on the border, and this will automatically adjust the border of the column. And we want to do the same for the last name column as well. So that's it. Now you have the first name and the last name in two separate columns. Thank you for watching.